Frylock be sleeping late today.
Yeah, when's he gonna get up and make us breakfast? It's past noon.
You don't think he's dead, do you?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Wake your sorry ass up! Ooh, ear hurty.
Yeah, that's right. And stomach growly, so get cracking.
Ow! Hot, hot, hot! Ow! Hot, hot, hot!
Yes, you have reached a suitable temperature. Now cook the crepes.
Breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time.
I think something's wrong with Frylock.
Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Oh, use a fork, you animal.
Did you? It's gone. Ain't that where he gets his smarts?
I can count to this much.
These crepes are severely undercooked.
I'm sorry.
Well, someone took Frylock's brain, and in his brain, he's keeping the memory of where he put his money. We're in trouble.
Well, I don't know about you, but I have allowance.
Because Frylock give it to you every damn week.
Yeah, well, I'll just start saving it now. And the house is free, so are the utilities and the cable. Me what? Me what?
There ain't no money in here.
You idiot!
I see him type on this thing and talk about putting money places in here.
We could have pawned that for like $100 and we would have lived like kings. You're getting a job.
Maybe he got money in here.
Oh, God.
Who that tickles?
These do not smell good.
Damn salty in
No,
here.
keep tickling.
I found a note.
What's it say? Because I've read a lot already today, so I'm going to let you read it. As a test, if you know how to read.
Yeah, I'd love to do it for both of us, but I ain't got my reading glasses, so maybe, why don't you knock it out?
Shoot. My reading glasses are gone, too. I was reading the dictionary today, and a bird came and swiped them right off my face. Craziest thing I ever saw.
What if we just, stare at it? You know, maybe, it'll read itself.
Is that how it works?
Yeah, maybe. We could try it.
All right. Let's read this thing.